sobrang kahoy na pinutol-putol. Hi guys! Good morning! Ako nga pala si Divina Robertson, married to my Canadian husband, mom of twins, at also a fur mom. So, samahan nyo kami sa araw na to.
Too small. Unless you had a like professional camera.
Oh, look at that! Oh my gordita crunch, it's gone. I cannot. But that's it. Did you see that, guys? The birds? So, andito na tayo sa landfill. Napakatirik ng araw. Ganda ng araw. Tignan nyo yung ulap, oh. Malinaw na malinaw. So, ay, binuksan ni Cookie yung bintana. Ay, si Cookie, big girl na, marunong na siyang magbukas ng bintana. So, every spring, summer, may lupa dyan na pwede mong kuhanin. Ayan, yan. Yung nakikita nyo na yan, ngayon wala ng lupa. Pang gardening soil siya. Libre lang siya. Pagdalin mo lang, ilagay mo lang sa likod ng kotse mo kung saan yan, yung mga area na yan, nandiyan dyan yung lupa. Ngayon wala na. Eto ganito, kapag yung langis, hindi mo pwedeng itapon sa basura yung langis. Dapat pupunta ka rito sa landfill para itapon yung langis. So, aakyat ka dyan. Ayan ang itsura niya. Tapos, nakalimutan ni Colin dalhin yung ano niya, tawag dito, yung rubber gloves. So, di ba maganda yung sistema rito? Hindi lahat basta-basta itatapon lang, lahat segregated. Kaya isa rin to sa mga dahilan kung bakit dito sa Canada napakataas ng tax. Kasi ito yung isa sa mga bagay na binabayaran mo. Tapos yung mga pinaglagyan ng langis mo, dyan mo ilalagay. Tignan mo, ayan may sign, oh, oil filters only. Yan, dami pan langis ni Colin. So guys, comment down below kung sa lugar nyo, sa bansang kung saan kayo nakatira, paano dinidispose yung langis. Langis ng sasakyan, pag nag-change oil kayo, yung what else are the other things for oil? Aside from your car. Oh my god, it's so cold.
Well, cooking oil goes around the side.
Oh, cooking oil. What is this for? Why there's a gauge?
To show you how full it is.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty empty. I can hear it.
Uh-huh. So how they take out the oil?
Oh, they hook up a tube to it.
Okay. So, yan, nakasulat, use automotive oil only. Tapos, itatapon mo dyan yung mga pinaglagyan ng oil. Mushi, look at me, Mushi. I'll take a picture of you. Grabe, guys. Sobrang lamig. Dito naman, yung langis sa bahay. Household cooking oil disposal only. Not for commercial disposal. You done?
Yeah. So like if you have like paints or
No, what is that place again?
with this,
Uh-huh.
it's hazardous waste.
Uh-huh.
It's like for household waste, like if you have paint thinner, paints, I don't know what else. Batteries, I guess,
Okay.
types of things.
Okay, and then they're explaining
Well,
there.
all this is where they put all the
Earth.
compost.
Compost.
That's in this, only during this summer months. And this is the scale over here that we'll go through next.
What's that? When she say it again? I'm gonna zoom it so when you say it, they can see it. So yeah, explain it like that. What's going
So
on?
that's the scale over there. So that's when they weigh you how much your vehicle weighs with all the garbage, and then they weigh you on the way out, and that's how much they bill you.
Wow, she cookie!
Sorry.
Will she explain to us what's going on right now, please?
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive up and tell them what kind of garbage I have, and they're going to tell me where to go, what bins to go to, and they'll also weigh the vehicle.
Just like that vehicle being weighed right now, right?
That's right.
It's like when you go to border. Hey. It's our turn right now.
Yeah. So they're writing down our license plate.
What?
They'll take down our license plate.
Okay.
So that they know what we're doing when we get back. Hi. A couple of consumer electronics, cardboard, and general household waste.
Do you know where the electronics go?
Yeah, straight ahead, right?
The brown bin?
Yeah.
Do you know where the garbage and cardboard is?
Yeah. All right, sounds good. Have a good one. Bye.
Okay, Mushi, explain this area to us, please.
So this is all the household stuff. So you're gonna find things like refrigerator. Oh, there's a bunch of refrigerators over there.
Yeah.
Water heaters, toilets, paper, drywall. All the drywall over there. And
Yeah.
so
This is the area where you're gonna find where things belongs. Like this one is electronics only. Oh, see that? All the fridge. Ang daming ref. I think there's some heater too, right?
water heaters,
Fridge.
dehumidifiers.
Yeah.
Can't remember what it is. Nice TV right there. Is that a tube TV down there? Tube. Well, that's a shame. That's a huge TV. Oh, there's like a stereo over there.
Tignan nyo guys, napakadaming mga electronics. Ang daming TV. Dito kapag nasira na yung TV, hindi na nila gagawin o ano, bibili na ng bago. Ganun ang nangyayari. TV, printer, may stereo doon. Ang lamig, sobrang lamig. Grabing napakamahangin guys.
Yeah, why not?
It might splatter. It might. Buy TV. There's another one. Bye, TV! Thank you for the service! Bye! Doon naman guys, yung mga scrap metal. So, yun nga, nakita niyo hawak ni Colin scrap metal. Dito naman mga gulong. So, makikita niyo talaga kung saan din napupunta, bakit mataas yung binabayad na tax dito sa Canada. Kasi may mga direksyon lahat ng mga bagay-bagay kung saan napupunta. 'Di ba? So, ngayon naman guys, mag-move on na tayo. Hindi ko alam kung sumisigaw ako kanina kasi naka-earmuff ako eh. Tinanggal ko na yung earmuff ko. Tapos ito naman, toilet bricks, cement blocks, concrete. Ang lawak ng area, no? So, yan, makikita nyo, may sign. Etong isa, styrofoam. So, lahat ng styrofoam, dyan mo, eto naman, salvaging, may sign, salvaging prohibited. So, bawal mong, halimbawa, may nakita kang TV o bagay na parang pwede mo pang magamit. May area na magpark ka, hindi ka lang basta-basta magpa-park. At ganito nga ang itsura, yan, makikita nyo naman. So, meron ditong isa, malapit ng mapuno. Ayan ang itsura niya. At marami pa doon. Yeah, I did. So, yung tinapon na yun ni Colin, sa trailer namin yun eh. Ayan na guys, makikita nyo kung anong tinapon ng mga ibang tao. Oh yeah. I'm gonna move. Oh, I heard that. Oh my Gordita Crunch!
What?
There's wild turkey!
Oh yeah. They're always here.
So guys, dito yan, ang daming may wild turkey. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung mga yan. Hindi pinapabayaan nila yan dito. Hindi nila yan kinukuha at kinakain. Pero may mga hunting ground na kung saan pwede kang mag-hunting ng ganyan. Tulad sa pinag-campingan nga namin doon mga nakaraang video na may hunting ground. Pero ang pwede mo lang i-hunt ay mga duck. So, may mga hunting ground na specific lang yung area na pwede mong i-hunt. May hunting ground na deer lang ang pwede mong i-hunt. May hunting ground naman na duck lang ang pwede mong i-hunt. May hunting ground naman na ano ba yun, yung bunny rabbit. So, guys, may kukwento ako sa inyo. So, dumating yung point na nahirapan ako na itapon yung ibang gamit ng mga anak ko. Halimbawa, arts and craft nila, na drawing nila, ganun. Are you done?
Yeah, we're gonna order something.
Cardboards? Mamaya na yung chika guys. Pupunta tayo sa cardboard section. So doon, basura lang. Hindi mo pwedeng ilagay yung cardboard. Tignan mo yung mama. Ayan yung mama, oh, tinatapon niya yung... Doon naman kahoy. Nakikita niyo yung mga tinatapon niya, kahoy. So ayan, may sign ang nakasulat. So guys, nga pala, no, pag nandito kayo, tignan niyo yung ground at mag-iingat kayo. So ayan, nakikita niyo yung sign. Cardboard yung print box board. At si Cookie, nagagalit na siya kasi nasa loob siya. Hindi siya pwedeng lumabas. Hindi to safe para sa kanya. So guys, sa lugar nyo, comment down below kung paano nyo tinatapon yung mga basura. tulad ng langis sa sasakyan, sa mantika na pinagprituhan nyo, yung mga cardboard, basura, yung mga sobrang kahoy na pinutol-putol, kung paano siya dinidispose. Tignan niya.
That's it. Done. Now we have to pay for it.
At ngayon ay babayaran na natin. Ayan, tignan niyo yung mga tao. Pumupunta rin sila dito para i-dispose yung mga meron sila. At ngayon, titimbangin ang sasakyan natin kung magkano ang nabawas. At yun ang babayaran natin. Ayan, natimbang na siya. Okay na. So guys, tulad nga ng sinabi ni Colin kanina, pagpunta mo, titimbangin ka. Tapos, pag tapos ka na, tapos ng timbangin, malalaman kung ano yung weight ng sasakyan mo nung umpisa. How much is the standard price? $5?
It's $5 per 100 kilograms. I don't think I do. No, I just dimes. So 120 kilograms is how much.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much, you too.
So, ang binayad ni Colin ay $12. 120 kilograms for $12.
So it's $1 per 10 kilograms.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, that's it for today. And thank you so much for coming with us in the landfill. Hope you enjoy it.
Please like and subscribe.
Subscribe. Thank you.